It just rained. Most people don't like the rain. It probably explains why there's not many people outside now. They don't want to get their hair wet. They don't want to get cold. They don't want to get wet. I think it's miserable. Well, first of all, immersion in the elements feels amazing. Whenever I see it rains, I just feel like I want to go out there and dance in the rain, you could say. It feels amazing. I want to feel the rain on my skin. Secondly, I wouldn't call it miserable. Think again. Rain is life. If there was no rain, the whole world would be a desert. We wouldn't even exist. CO2 plus H2O, rain, water, goes to glucose, an essential sugar, and oxygen, an essential element. Two essential things for life. Well, why am I telling you this? You may think, oh, why are you telling me science? I don't care, I don't really need to know this. Well, you should care about this. Because nature requires rain, right? If nature is in balance, it can give us oxygen. We can thrive. The more plants, the more oxygen produced. The healthier the air, and we thrive. Our lungs are healthier. Remember this. We can only thrive if nature thrives. That's right. We can only thrive if nature thrives. If there's an imbalance in the weather's elements, for example, last summer, remember, in the UK we had 2 heat waves, not 1 but 2. If there's an imbalance, nature weakens. It can't provide for us. If you were to look on a satellite image of the UK, it looked like the Sahara Desert. And this is why this balance with the rain, the sun is so important, and the heat and CO2, of course. And that's why I'm making this video. If you have this sort of mindset that, oh, rain isn't good, I don't like rain, think again, because rain is life. And secondly, each of us, each and every one of us, has a duty to protect our environment. It's our home. So remember to try to protect the nature. Don't pollute unnecessarily, at least. Rain is life. It's raining right now. Accept, adapt, and overcome.